Did you know that Grok AI on the X platform can now summarize what an X account posts with just one click? I'll show you how in this video. Update the X app to the latest version and open it. Next, find the X account you're interested in. For this demonstration, I'll use the EuroLeague official X account. Open the desired account. You'll notice this new icon at the top of the screen. Click on it, and it will open a chat with Grok AI. A description of the account will be generated. The main topics that the X account focuses on will be briefly summarized and explained. This is a very useful feature to check out before deciding to follow an account. Let me demonstrate it on another account as well. For instance, when I open the Epic Maps account, Grok AI highlights its posts about breathtaking travel destinations, unique map designs, and fun geographical facts. This makes it incredibly easy to understand the kind of visually stunning and informative content the account shares before deciding to follow. It's a fantastic way to explore new accounts and ensure your feed is filled with inspiring and engaging posts. I recommend trying this feature on a few accounts that interest you and discovering how useful it can be. And that's it. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.